Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing a camera sample test on the Motorola Moto G6. I just want to give y'all some samples of photos I took and then also some video I took. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Like I said, $249. I think the cameras are pretty good so far, but I want your opinions. Y'all let me know. Look, I'm on the front-facing camera now. What y'all think about it? Like I said, for $249, I'm really liking this phone a lot. But, you know, people have been asking for samples, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, there's some photos and then some videos. Let's get a discussion in the comments below on how y'all feel about this phone. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing a little camera sample test on the Moto G6. People have been asking about the cameras, so I'm going to give them what they want. I'm just walking around the park. Yes, it's beautiful, and look, slow pan of the Texas sky. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is hot already. I think it's like almost 90 degrees. But I'm going to go into this tree. I'm shooting this at 1080p, 60 frames per second, which is the highest that the G6 will shoot. Look at that. Let's see. Focus. Not too bad, I don't think. Look at the playground. Man, it is definitely bright out here. Look at that. Let's try to zoom in some. What y'all think? Besides my shaky hands. Right now I'm in 4x zoom. I'm gonna zoom back out. I'm gonna walk a little bit. Y'all let me know how everything looks. Stabilization wise. I'm gonna come back with the 1080p 30 frames per second in just a bit. But this has just been a quick video sample. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. How do I sound? How does the video look? Slow pan of the Texas sky. Man, I'm already sweating out here, and I've been at the park for maybe 10 minutes. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Look, slow pan again, slow pan. But it's a beautiful day though. Let's go into these trees. Again, I'm just holding the camera, the phone in front of me. No type of gimbal. Look at the tree. Look at the bench, table, whatever you want to call it. Pretty good focus. Look at that. Man, let's go in. I'm going to zoom in again. I'm at 5x zoom, 8x zoom. How does that look? I'm going to back out some. What y'all think about it? Now I'm at 5x zoom. It's actually pretty good. But again, just walking. Let's go to this little bridge. We build bridges at parks. Look, there's no water in there. Doesn't rain enough. But what y'all think? Oh, I should take that comb home and make obstacle course for my kids, even though they're old. But what y'all think about it? Let me know. How does it look? $249 phone. I think it looks pretty good. Not too bad. Look at the rocks. See if I can zoom in on the rocks. But y'all let me know how this looks and sounds. Again, I'm going to come back with the front-facing camera in just a bit. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna come back and give y'all 720 at 30 frames per second, just in case somebody wants to see how 720 looks. Were you shooting 720? I don't know. I don't see why would you, but look at that. But yeah, this is just a quick sample at 720p. They have it on there, so why not show it off? But it's just been a quick sample. Now I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera, but y'all let me know how this looks. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Moto G6. Shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second, because that's the most you can shoot at. How does it look? How do I sound? Yes, the sun is bright. I'm gonna turn this way. Let's walk with it. I think I look pretty good. But again, for $249, what do you think about these cameras? Look at the back. Look at the background. Yes, it's a bright day in Texas. Like, the sun's right in my eyes. But y'all let me know how I look and sound. Can you actually do this? Walk around doing some selfies, videos. If you like doing selfies, will this camera work for you? Y'all let me know in the comments. Because I'm not a big selfie guy. I don't like looking at myself. But I'm under the shade now. How does that look? Let's get back in the sun. But how does it look? How do I sound? That's the most important thing. To get your advice. Get your opinion on it. Not really your advice, but look, check out my head. I think I look pretty good. Can't wait to get into a computer. But again, it's just been a quick camera sample for the Moto G6. Y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds between all the videos I just took. And until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day.